Hey friends, if you wish to fix this installation is forbidden by system policy error on your system, then please watch this video. Now there are two conditions to it. One is that you're using a home computer and the second one is that you're using a work computer which is managed by an organization. So if it is managed by an organization, then you will have to contact the IT administrator of your company. Only the IT administrator of your company can help you in this matter. But if it is a home computer, then search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Go to HKey local machine, software, policies, Microsoft and Windows. You'll find Windows on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, so we'll create a key under Windows named installer. Okay, right click on Windows, new key, name it installer. In the right pane, we will create an entry named disable MSI. Okay, right click, new diva 32-bit value, disable MSI. Double click on it and change the value data to 1. Hit enter. That's it. Now restart your computer. Right click on the start button, shut down and sign out and restart it. And your problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.